some of the fundamentals of math are forgotten, and it leads many students, in my experience, to struggle on more difficult maths. So I'm just going to go over something really quickly that can help you a lot. If you have an exponent, right, let's say you're dealing with 3 to the power of 1/2. That's not the only way that number can be written. You could also write it as the square root of 3. Fractional exponents can turn into radicals. If you're the type of person that likes formulas, you can remember it as a to the power of m over n is equal to the square root of n a to the power of m. Personally, I don't like formulas, so I'm going to teach you an even better way to look at it. If you notice anything with that first example with 1/2 becoming a square root, where might the 2 come from? Whenever you write a square root, what's in between that root is actually a 2 right there. So the denominator is going to be your root. If you have a denominator of 3, it's going to be a cubed root. If you have a denominator of 5, it's going to be a 5th root. That's going to tell you what's in that little corner of the radical. The denominator is what goes right there. Anything left over in the numerator, then it's just going to follow the rest of the actual number. So if you have 3 to the power of 1/2, that 1 is just going to follow the 3 under the actual radical sign. So in this case, it's 3 to the power of 1. You don't really have to write that there because it's just a 1 to the power of 1. It just means that the number is going to stay the same. So you don't really have to write it that way. Personally, if I ever forget the way that things go, like which one is the numerator, which one is where's the denominator going to go, where's the numerator going to go, I just always remember that anything to the power of 1/2 is just going to be the square root with the numerator inside the radical. So if I can have that as like my example, that's much easier for me to deal with as opposed to a formula in this case. So if you're struggling with an algebraic question or a calculus question, and maybe it's because you have to convert something into another form, this could be the thing that you're missing. This could be the thing that you forgot, that you learned a while ago, and I implore you to relearn it. Hopefully that was enough to help you start thinking of it. Do a couple of practice problems to just remember the direction and way things go, and I definitely hope that helps.